I wanted to give hope to everyone and challenge myself and give 48 hours to start a successful online Etsy business using only AI. More specifically, ChatGPT and Midjourney. So I did just that. Make sure to stick around because I did not expect my results since it only took me one day to start the business from scratch. In my last video, I went over how to use the Midjourney and ChatGPT to create the digital product we would sell. I generated these digital products using the method in that video and decided to sell them on Etsy. The product was a simple digital pattern that people could download to print, create t-shirts, put on products, or do whatever they wanted with them. Now here's our plan for the business. First, we will come up with the product niche to sell on. Then we will use ChatGPT to get the product ideas for the digital product. Next, we can simply copy over the ideas to Midjourney to create the product. We upload the products on Etsy, and finally we run paid ads through Etsy ads. A great product starts with the product niche. I've been using Midjourney for a while now, and after taking a look at many ways of using the Midjourney, I simply thought to myself that there were so many people creating print-on-demand products and stickers, but not a lot of people are selling digital pattern designs. How do I know this? I went on Etsy and typed custom print. Without a surprise, there were close to 1 million search results. I then searched for custom art. Over 1.5 million search results. Now, if we try to search for digital patterns, there are roughly 900,000 patterns. You might think that's pretty saturated, but if we dig deeper and search for digital patterns seamless, we only get 150,000 results now. So I immediately knew that we were on the right path if we could create seamless patterns. I also thought this was unique and less saturated than other product niches. To move on to generating patterns, I used ChatGPT to come up with the ideas. As shown in the last video, I asked ChatGPT to generate all the ideas of 20 digital patterns that we could create. Since it's almost spring season at the time of this video, I wanted to create flower patterns since many of the flowers start blooming during the spring. So I asked it to give me 20 different flower design ideas. We are done with the product at this point since generating the ideas is the challenging part. With our generated ideas, we simply head to Midjourney and copy and paste to create the designs. As a side note, I'll share my secret technique of generating multiple of these images instantly without having to do them individually, so stick around till the end to find out. Now that we have our product, it is time to launch the store. I won't go over the entire process of building and listing your product on Etsy since I covered that in the last video, but let me show you what my product page looks like. I wanted to keep the description simple and the images clean and easy for people to click. The first image is a collage of all the patterns I provided in the download. I emphasize what the images are about in the middle, and the following image briefly describes what format they're able to download in. The reason I have this image is that people don't actually read descriptions. I mean, I definitely don't read them. But for the sake of the store, your description still needs to be including all the essential keywords to rank your listing in the search results. So I did just that. The first paragraph has all the necessary keywords to describe the product. Then I emphasize that this is a digital product to avoid any confusion. Then what's included section to give more details about the product. Next, I provided examples how they can use this and re-emphasize how they can download this product. With everything built and ready, it was time to launch the ads. I researched how to launch the ads successfully since this is my first time trying out Etsy ads, but it was much simpler than doing dropshipping and Facebook ads. I just needed to set a daily budget and turn it on. That's it. So I launched my ads at midnight, prayed, and slept.
That's what she said.
And to my surprise, the first day actually brought in some views and clicks. On the first day, we got a total of 440 views. Out of that, we got 12 clicks, but unfortunately received 0 orders. For this day, we spent a total of $3.82. We didn't spend the entire $5 budget because not enough people clicked. Etsy only charges you when you receive a click and not views. The views pretty much represent anyone who was shown the ad, just like like you see here. Although I was bummed out about no orders, I was happy that we got 12 clicks since it showed some signs of people considering our listing. But to improve further, I switched up and upgraded my photos and included some mock-up photos to give better product examples. All these images were created using the free tool Canva, but some require a pro subscription, which you can try for free using the link in the description. With these improvements, I was confident we could get at least one sale, so I let the ads run for one more day. On day 2, I woke up to 1,058 views. That's more than double of yesterday's views. We got 19 clicks, and for the moment of truth, did we make a sale? On day 2, we received 2 orders and 1 review. I expected we would get a sale, but I'm still shocked by the results because I never ran an Etsy store and I have no design knowledge, and the entire store was generated using only AI. This shows you that all it takes is some action to get anything started. So for day 2, we spent a total of $4.71. Sadly, our revenue is only $3.78, so we're not profitable yet. But I didn't stop there. I ran the ads for one more day to give them more time to optimize. And on the final day, we received 1,054 views with 15 clicks. But we only received one sale with the revenue of $1.99 after spending $4.80. Realistically, getting sales from the beginning is uncommon even with an ad, so I'm still stoked about the results. Folks, let me know in the comments if I should continue this series. Also, please check out the links in my description to get some free stocks to pay for your Etsy ads. Don't forget to subscribe and like for the YouTube algo, and you won't want to miss my next video because I'll be testing more side hustles like this one. Peace.